Right then, here's another unboxing video. Been after a new scanner for a while. The ones I've got a couple of cheap ones. One of them that I've got in one of the videos where I get a trouble code on a Honda. They're cheap. They work on some cars. They don't work on others, especially the newer ones now. I'm getting to the point, like with Nissans and things like that, where the newer cars, it's not picking up any sort of the live data. It's not reading a code. It will say as a code, but it won't read it for me. So I've been out and bought a new scanner. It cost me about 180 quid. It does quite a few things on it. Obviously reads codes, reads live data, airbags, ABS, things like that. So this is what I bought. I'm going to do a couple of videos later on showing you how I use it, but this is just the unboxing. This is what I've ordered. So I'm just going to show you what I've got. There's glue. Like I say, I've been after this. I've looked into this quite a bit. It's Foxwell. That's what it is. There's various versions of this out there, different models. This was a sort of medium, middle of the road one. There's oil light resets, braking, electric parking brakes, things like that. I mean, obviously it's proof is in the pudding really, but this is what I've gone for anyway. So this is how it comes in a box. It's quite good because a lot of them just come in, a lot of scanners just come in normal soft cases. Just comes in a reasonable box. It's well packaged. If you can see that, this is some of the stuff that it does. Yeah, looking forward to using this. So it's well, it's been well packaged. Comes in this case as well. Make sure I've got this upside down. There we go. Pretty excited to use it actually. I mean, it's not something I really use as scopes and stuff like that. I've never really been into. I can't afford them. I don't really want to spend that much money on them. But it's getting to, like I say, it's getting to the point where I need to upgrade some of the stuff that I have got. So I'm going to open it up. It's quite a decent unit. I think this is the which one is it? Comes with instruction manual. Automaster Pro. It's got all sorts of things. Comes with a lead, good substantial lead as well. Comes with a jack lead, USB cable to plug into computers. There's your pin. I'm really looking forward to using this. I'm looking forward to see how well it works on the newer cars as well. I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll work quite well on the Honda and various other cars. I find with a lot of scanners they work well from about 2002 to about 2007 with mine, but after that they start to that a lot of the cars are really they need something more. They need something a bit more substantial to use, something that's going to, you know, better software, better you know, more expensive stuff, more you know, you need something that's going to connect to your car really. A lot of the software, like you know, good name brands, Snap-on tools and things like that, you know, they're probably better, but I'm a DIYer. I don't want to get into spending thousands on a stuff that I'm going to use only a few times. So this is what I've upgraded to anyway. There's a model number. NT624. There are other ones, it's worth researching. Comes with a model book. Very, you know, there's a lot of information in there as well. So I'm going to have a real good read through this. I'm going to try it on. I've got a couple of cars out there. I've got my Nissan, brand new 2017 Nissan Qashqai. So I'm going to try it on that and see if it reads on there. I'm going to use it on my Honda, and I'm going to use it on my son's Peugeot, which is a 1997, 96 model. So I'm going to see if it works on that as well. Don't think it will, because that was obviously on the cusp of OBD2 coming in. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to do another video and trying it out on my car and see what you think. But hopefully it's going to be the business. It's got other stuff as well. These are all the different stuff. I know this is the NT624, so I know the next one up is the NT624 Pro. That was the one I looked at, but that was a little bit more expensive. There's quite a few out there, but I like the idea of being able to do stuff on ABS as well. Reset oil lights, individual manufacturing options as well, which is really good. So so I'm really looking forward to using this. So so one of my next videos will be me hooking this up to my Honda or Nissan and see which one's which. I'm going through it really and seeing what options there are on it. So but this is more just of an unboxing really, and showing you what I've actually bought. So really looking forward to using it. Hopefully this is interesting to you, and tune in for the next one. Thanks for watching.